Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you what I eat for breakfast, and it includes this machine and carrots. My breakfast consists of making some carrot juice, but I already grind my carrots, and then I used some orange juice. Then I have my complete glass of juice. I put all the way here for orange juice, and then fill it up all the way here with the carrot juice. Then I will eat Quaker Oats 1 minute with Sun-Maid raisins and some milk right here, and then put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Then I will add some clover honey. Right now I have clover honey. This one says True Source certified, or I will just have bee honey. I don't know if it's clover honey, it's any difference from the other kind of honey. But then I will just add some honey, like so, and make little wavy. Sometimes if I have strawberries or raspberries, I will add it in. But that's basically my breakfast, my quick breakfast if I don't need more egg or something like that. Yes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.